This is Ling Chi, brush painting for beginners from Oriental Art Supply. And we just brought in a package of bookmark for the holidays, so you can create gift for your loved ones. And these bookmark is 5 to a pack, and is very easy to paint with, but still show good coloring. And today I'm going to show you a chrysanthemum on a green background. And then I have the other 4 that are already painted in front of you, so you can see that the possibilities. If you wish, let us know on the comment if you want us to demo all 5 different colors. But we do plan, when we sell them, we will give you idea what color to use. So on the chrysanthemum on this green background, we're using 2 very simple colors. One is the Sakura Gold and Bath Bottle ink. And then I'm using one brush, which you can use either Lotus pot brush or Lotus Petal brush. Or if you're beginners, you are uncomfortable with using big brush to do the small stroke, I would say choose one of the large combination brush as the leaves, and then do the rest of with either small orchid bamboo or happy dog. So I'm loading my brush into the Sakura Gold for my flowers. So all my petal is looking for this center. Okay, let's go. And then in the same brush, I'm using dip into some ink, lighter ink, to make my name. And then I'm going to do this. And then on here, I have a large and then I want to make sure that my finishing stem is lighter and toward the center. So this, I finished my chrysanthemum on green background bookmark. So if you like, we can develop some lesson on the bamboo on the beige, iris on the gray, and plum blossom on the off-white, and lotus on the gold. Happy painting, happy holiday. We'll see you next time.